Hi, I'm Anthony. My register number is urk17cs280, and today we are going to see a topic under web technology, and that is my exercise 2, which is design a website using HTML5 form element plus media element. So, like this is what I have created, and I'll be explaining you one by one. Can you see that? Okay, let's go to the program. See, and a HTML contain a head tag and a body tag as default. So this is a part where Carney Institute of Technology and Sciences is a head part. So I have mentioned that title in the head tag, Carney Institute of Technology and Sciences, and that's it. And let's go to the body part. Body part mainly consists of, okay, in that we are mentioning the style. Even you can keep the style background color now because we have created as symbol over there, that we can do that in the head tag itself, but we are doing with the help of header tag, and keeping the background color as 6 times E, and font size and everything text align center, which is coordinate of technology sciences. Okay, and let's go to the division part. I mean, go into that, which is what you can do. You think this will be helpful for that? Every website will be having that, so we can go to the next page, which is the navigation tag. So it is a pretty different tag. So in that we can keep anything like I have kept home, admission, academic calendar, search. So if I click home, it will be in the same HTML dot HTML file. And admission, it will go to the another page, and so that in that admission form website web page will be there. So let's see that one by one. See, in the navigation tag, href industrial HTML for home. For home, if I click, it will be in the same okay. And see, you can see here, you can understand that EMSP is just to give us leave a space, and at the end I have created line, so that is what it's appearing here. And same like that admission, I have created admission, and I have created another HTML, and I have linked with that with the href tag, and input type text placeholder search. What is the use of placeholder, which is it is a text. So inside that you can see that it's appearing as search. So that is what I'm giving in a placeholder. If I give print, it will be shown in the box print. So that is what use of placeholder. And that's it. And let's go to this image part is like another division. So this full curve is another division. So in that, just image tag a source, my jpg or else url also you can give, but url, make sure that url but url will take time. And with this 96 percentage, we are in give 100 percentage, because 100 percentage will be touching the edge of that image web page. And yeah, that's it. Let's go into the another division part, which is I have created a paragraph. So you can, as of we learned in the last experiment, li is used to give bullets and the indentation, dt and followed by dd, which is used of indentation of the dt. Okay. And now as while seeing itself, you can understand that it's just a paragraph. And I have created I have given a background color, same like that triple E. Yes, you can see that. And even see, so let me make this image like website bigger. See, in this we are keeping a video. So how to do that? Okay. See, this is where iframe comes in. iframe, like in a website, you should know, you'll be knowing every each and every position, like where the one the width which place we have to give. So with 590 and the height 580, the image size should be, and this we can get from sort of like YouTube link. And frame border is 0, okay. And allow accelerometer, what is this comes like, with this we should take picture screenshot from, in a way that from YouTube itself we can get it. And that's why, okay, we have set it. So iframe is used to show the video, and once we click that, it will be playing. And next let's go to the footer part. Where is the footer part? See, and this iframe, what's the use of this? We have go to this Google Maps and get the SQL link, source link. So as soon as if you give, and it will be showing the current um, particular, like I have searched for Khan University, so it is showing that. And footer part contains copyright. We can, you can use like who have created that. It's my name. And see, center music, embed music, source music. I have downloaded a music app, just a music. So once you have created, refresh it, it's straight like automatically play. That's what I have kept like controls autoplay. Because you, even you can see as soon as if I refresh it, see it will be automatically playing. It was playing, okay. And then let's go to the admission part. See, admission, see automatically it plays, right? And see, like in this admission part, what are else for there? A box, which is, I'll come to you in just a minute, because I will, okay, let me show you now itself. It is a, something like a legend tag. So in that line, it will be printed in the form of what it is, an admission registration form. So what else it contains? A name, email, phone number, apply, which is all our radio buttons, and how to get the file from our computer, and states, because okay, let's see one by one, okay. So this is an admission file. See, until this top corner signs admission home, everything is same. So I have just copied from that. So let's start with this from here. See, legend admission registration form, that is what's shown here, this division box, admission registration form, as you can see. And t head, tr, like we have already seen in the first experiment. See, as soon as first my thing is like I am aligning that name should not come in center or the leftmost, it should come in right. And that's what my name. And front color red, okay. This star, as you can see. And the front, same like that. Email, okay, email, which is the input tag. These are all input tag. Just it is showing, this first line is mainly until this name start, and this input tag we are getting as why we kept left, as soon as name left side. And the input tag text for size 50. You can give word character maximum of 50, and autocomplete, autofocus. Same like that I have did for email, so no need to explain again. And let's go to phone number. Phone number. Same, just to print until phone and red color star, it will be same. And from this phone number, like I have created a drop down list, which is I'm giving option like which India means 91 and plus one some different states, which is a label, okay. See our group label country codes. Country codes is just to know for us country codes, and option I have given. And this is an input method, text number, even, okay, number we can give, because okay, only phone number we are getting from the user. And next is radio button, what's it? Apply for, as you know, the same thing I have explained. And Here also like but we are using this radio button. Instead of type text, we'll use radio because you can see now radio. And same now something like say institute student within India, outside India. Okay. And how to get the file from our computer. That's the main thing. Here's it. As we mentioned, input type file. So it will be given like if as soon as you give choose file, it will be automatically taking that. And even the state I have explained, a label and option you should give, which we have done in that phone number process. And I say, okay, how many times it keep on repeating? Interested programs choice. But in this same drop down list, but what are we doing? What we are doing is inside that input box itself, we are doing that. So first itself, we should create an input type and drop down list. No, it's same of that phone number and state. So no need to worry about that. And at the end, copyright and music, which we have done that already. And calendar, we automatically. Calendar is just a file. Okay, until this thing, everything is same because yes, I have copied paste it. And the embed source, which we done for same like music app, but we have given a source file name, type application pdf slash pdf you should give, or else it won't be visible. And that's it for this video. Thank you.